a 30-year-old Moluccan cockatoo.
How old is he?
30. Yeah, and he's been with me since he's 10. So he's just living his absolute best life, and he knows, gets to go out on adventures, and the world's a much bigger place than a cage. It's, it's about making sure that he gets lots of enrichment opportunities.
So, how long do they live?
Depends on their health, as with you or with him.
100?
He could, if he's healthy.
Really?
But that depends on a lot, including diet, genetics, and everything else. Right, Max? Yeah, hello. Hello.
Like a human age, huh?
Hello.
Yeah, but the parrots can be very long-lived. Well, it depends on the bird, though. Some birds want to talk, some birds don't want to talk. My African great. Oh, yeah, Max, that's awesome. Good job, Max. Good job. I think you're all done, huh? Yeah, you're. There you go, Max. What do you see? Oh. Come here. Got another fluff in you? Hi. So pretty. Good job, Max. Mom, yeah, I'm right here. See all the ducks and the seagulls? Yeah, look at them all. That's quite something, Max. Okay. So you want to go back up to the sidewalk? We could do that. Let's go back up to the sidewalk. Good job, buddy. Yay! Oop. Ah. Okay. I'm gonna go that way.